They say the universe is infinite. But what does that even mean? Is there an edge, a final wall, a cosmic horizon, where existence stops and nothing begins? Or does it just keep going, forever expanding into a silence so vast that even eternity gets lost in it? Infinity, a word too big for the mind that speaks it. Yet we try, again and again, to measure what cannot be measured, to draw a boundary around the boundless. The universe began in an instant, a single spark, smaller than an atom, expanding into everything that has ever existed. Space stretched, time unfolded. From that first breath came stars, galaxies, and life. And it's still expanding, faster now than ever before. But if space is expanding, what is it expanding into? Is there an outside, a cosmic sea beyond the stars? Or is the universe simply creating new space as it grows? Imagine standing at the shore of existence, looking out at an ocean that never ends. No horizon, no edge, just the endless curvature of space-time bending in on itself. That is what infinity looks like. Not a place, but a principle. A direction without destination. Humans need edges. We draw lines, build walls, mark beginnings and endings. But the universe doesn't play by those rules. It's not a bubble floating in something else. It's everything, space, time, and the possibility of both. When you look up at the night sky, you're not seeing space as it is. You're seeing space as it was. The light from those galaxies, left billions of years ago, crossing a universe that has since stretched beneath it. Every star, every photon, every atom, is part of this expansion. A dance of creation that never stops moving outward. And yet, paradoxically, the universe might still be finite. Like the surface of a sphere. You can travel forever and never find an edge, because space curves back on itself. There's no wall at the end of the cosmos. Just geometry, a self-contained infinity, looping endlessly through its own dimension. Beyond the visible universe lies a boundary. Not physical, but observational. We call it the cosmic horizon, the limit of what light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang. Beyond that horizon, there may be more stars, more galaxies, or even entirely different laws of physics. Perhaps there are countless other universes, a multiverse of possibilities, each with its own constants, its own rules, its own arrow of time. Some collapsing, some expanding, some never born at all. And maybe, just maybe, our universe is one wave in an infinite sea, a single breath in an endless cycle of birth, expansion, and rebirth. A cosmic heartbeat pulsing through eternity. Infinity breaks the mind. It's not a number, not even a size. It's the absence of limitation. To grasp infinity is to realize that there is no end for it to reach. The ancient Greeks wrestled with this paradox. Zeno imagined a runner who could never reach the finish line, because every distance, no matter how small, could still be divided again and again. Between any 2 points lies an infinity of middles. And yet the runner finishes. Infinity, somehow, fits inside motion. The universe is the same. Endless, but contained. Boundless, but measurable. We live inside the paradox, swimming through infinity while pretending it's finite enough to name. Every second, space itself stretches. Galaxies drift apart, carried by the fabric of reality expanding beneath them. Not through empty space, of space. The distance between everything grows, not because things are moving, but because the stage itself is inflating, and the expansion is accelerating, driven by something we barely understand. Dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up most of the cosmos, yet remains invisible, untouchable, unknowable. If it continues forever, our universe will fade into cold isolation, each galaxy vanishing beyond the reach of all others, until nothing remains but darkness, stretching on without end. Infinity doesn't roar, it whispers. It's not chaos, it's calm. The slow unraveling of everything, until all distances become infinite, and time itself forgets how to move. In ancient Greece, sailors feared the horizon. They thought the world ended there, that ships would fall into the mouth of chaos. But every time someone reached the edge, they found more world waiting. Maybe the universe is the same. Maybe beyond isn't a place, but a question that never stops asking itself. Maybe infinity is not something to reach, but something to realize. A mirror held up to the soul that asks, how far are you willing to see? The philosopher Plotinus once said that everything longs to return to its source, that the soul yearns to merge again with the One, the infinite origin of all existence. Maybe that's why we look up. Maybe every act of wonder is an echo of that return, that we are finite beings, trying to imagine an infinite home. We count stars to understand meaning, measure time to feel control, build telescopes to reach what our eyes never can. But the truth is, the edge of infinity isn't out there. It's in here, in the space between thought and silence, between one breath and the next. You are made of atoms born in dying stars, atoms that have traveled billions of years to form you.